Because of our dire situation, I am willing to meddle with this supernatural object. I must find a way to survive this nightmare. Perhaps these machines may help me fend off the wretched hordes. This part may prove useful to us. I will be out of bullets. Perhaps these unknown forces seek to help us. Such giant. How could such a monstrous machine be possible? This is but one part of that. Stay back, hell pigs! I am ready to fight till my last breath! Fall like the winter snows of Siberia! With more pieces, I may uncover another means to defend ourselves.
Initiating conversion sequence.
Repel the monsters!
Conversion process complete. Generator 3 now activated.
I feel a ferocious power coursing through my veins. No good can come from disturbing the dead. I fear I will be easy prey in this deep mud. Show caution when walking robot's path. Such machines could conquer nations.
Can you hear me? Please, you have to help me. I'm trapped here. I just want to go home.
I heard her. A girl. She begs for help.